Indian News 24-hour.
Raja, exTelecom Secretary Siddharth Behura, and 12 others involved in 2G spectrum case. 3 companies also involved: Swan Telecom, Reliance Telecommunications and Uninor. CBI filed its first charge sheet, in 2010, in case relating to the inconsistencies in issuing licenses. In the end, it's going to be about 40-odd people and their families who would be awaiting the 2G verdict by a trial court with bated breath. Special CBI Judge Saini will be pronouncing the verdict today, in 2 cases filed by the CBI and 1 by the Enforcement Directorate. The big investigation is of the CBI, and that is essentially the money trail of 217 crore rupees loan given by Swan Telecom to Kalangar TV, the propaganda arm of the DMK Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam. Then Telecom Minister A. Raja is the prime accused along with 14 others, and in the dock are 3 companies as well, namely Swan Telecom, Reliance Telecommunications and Uninor, DMK MP Kanamazhi, Raja's Secretary R.K. Chandolia, exTelecom Secretary Siddharth Behura will also be in the dock. Also, in the line of fire are promoters of Swan Telecom, Shahid Balwan, Vinod Goenka, Asif Balwan, director of Kusagan Fruit and Vegetables, Balkrishan Agarwal, and promoter of Sinayug and Bollywood producer, Kareem Rani. An employee of KTV and a 20% shareholder, Sharat Kumar, is also an accused. Reliance's 3 employees, Gautam Doshi, Surendra Piparia and Hari Nair, are also amongst the accused. Raja, along with Kanamazhi, is accused of playing a major role in facilitating the 217 crore bribe from Swan Telecom to KTV. The CBI charge sheet says Swan Telecom was actually a front for Reliance Telecom, and that Reliance violated telecom policy to acquire more than 10% share as allowed under the law. Raja is also accused of violating the first-come first-serve policy that was decided upon by the cabinet. On January 10, 2008, DOT issued a press release at 2:30 p.m. stating that licenses would be issued between 3:30 p.m. 4:30 p.m. to those who came with a draft of 1,651 crore rupees. The catch in the FCFS policy was those who came first with the draft got the license instead of those who applied first. The CAG report says that all the demand drafts were actually backdated, thereby implying that the telecom operators had prior knowledge of the licenses that were to be issued. Sanjay Chandra, serving time behind bars on orders of the Supreme Court for failure to allocate flats to owners, was also the promoter of Uninor Telecom. This company applied for a license on October 1, much after the cutoff date of September 25. Raja accommodated this company to in violation of the rules. The irony isn't lost on anyone where the 3 Reliance employees are concerned. The first petitioner in the case, Arun Agarwal, says, while Anil and Tina Ambani were the promoters of Reliance Communication and Anil Ambani signed on the 990 crore rupees check with which preferential shares of Swan Telecom were purchased. Nevertheless, the CBI found that the 3 employees were the ultimate beneficiaries. As interesting is the case of the ED, where the list of the accused is similar to the CBI's except for one name. M.K. Dayalu, the 60% shareholder of Kalangar TV, is also an accused. The wife of Karunanidhi, Dayalu Amma, was not made an accused by the CBI, on the pretext that she didn't understand what was discussed since it was in English in the board meetings of KTV and signed where she was asked to. Whereas the ED found that M.K. Dayalu actually read and understood every document when she signed it. The third case is of the SR Telecom. The company is accused of getting 2 licenses, the second in the name of Loop Telecom. ROC documents had nailed SR's lie and had pointed out that Loop Telecom was indeed a front for SR. Promoters Ravi Ruiya, his son Anshuman Ruiya, sister Kiran Khaitan and brother-in-law, Ip Khaitan are accused along with the director of Loop Telecom, Vikas Sarif. Also watch those used to 2G. Coal scam will face problems with legitimate tax, says Jaitley.